Dunwoody is by far the greatest opportunity that I have ever taken a chance on. So I was a pharmacy technician for 5 years, but I was bored out of my mind. I was working too much. I was traveling to places I didn't want to go, and I quit my job. When I moved back to Minnesota, I was scared, I was nervous. I had no idea what I wanted to do with the rest of my life. I remembered seeing Dunwoody at my college fairs in school, so I wanted to come check them out. So I took the tour with Macy, and she was like, well, you said electrical, so we have a huge electrical wing, let me just take you up there. We walked straight into Polly's class, and everybody had a board on their desk. They were plugging power in, they were making meters move, and Polly was walking around the classroom helping them out. And I was like, this is it. Polly's been kind of my champion since I started. She's like, you gotta sign up for this, you gotta sign up for this, and I've taken every top opportunity she's thrown at me, and I haven't been disappointed once. I help run and organize the National Electrical Contractors Association, our Dunwoody student chapter, and I'm the current president. I've made connections all across the country. What I hope to do in the future with NECA is to continue to provide STEM applications and STEM events and bring more women into the fold to reach a younger generation. Gender roles are dead. I mean, women can do just about anything a man can do. I think we have to do a better job of breaking down those roles when it comes to our employers and our careers. It doesn't matter who you are. If you like something, you gotta go for it.